Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to apply formats to multiple cells in Excel. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to apply a particular format to other cells, in this example, I have a blue fill and a white font, and I want to do same for the rest of these headers. You can select the original cell, and then under Home, you see the Format Painter. When you click once and you apply to the next cell, you get the same format into a new cell. You do this when the cell you're applying to is only one. However, if you want to apply the same format to multiple cells, what you can do is to again stand in the original cell. This time around, you double click on the Format Painter. It keeps it active. Then you can apply to as many cells as possible. So here I apply to profitability and break even. When you are done, you can press Escape and you deactivate the Format Painter. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our WhatsApp broadcast list. We send videos to you on Mondays and Fridays. Or you can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos. Or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.